Okay, so you're an engineer, and you're tired of designing the same part for the 100th time. All you do is tweak things. You've heard many good things about metal 3D printing, but there's so many design choices. It's overwhelming. And you're right, it can be overwhelming. So let's look at 4 secrets to get you started on your additive manufacturing design journey. Our first secret is that there are many types of metal additive manufacturing. Many people have heard about the powder-based printing options. While these options can make some exciting parts, there are also processes that have wire feedstocks, bar feedstocks, and even foil feedstocks. There are lots of options. Each option comes with its own sweet spot, part types that they do really well. The first step to selecting a metal 3D printing flavor is to decide what you are trying to achieve, and then match that part with the capabilities of different printing types. Our second secret is that there is no free lunch in design. Each process comes with its own unique abilities and trade-offs. There's no single process that does everything. For instance, a powder-based process may be able to make intricate organic details such as lattice structures. However, most powder-based processes have slower build rates, making them impractical for large parts. Wire-based processes can typically make huge parts, but the resulting material will often require heat treating. In fact, although metal 3D printing can enable many designers' dreams, most require some type of post-processing. That means processes after 3D printing, such as machining or heat treating, can add up to 30% to the cost of the part. The design capabilities need to be weighed with the trade-offs. Our third secret is that size does matter. Many metal 3D printing processes are great for small parts you can fit in your pocket. 1 cubic foot, or about the size of a basketball, is a typical limit. While some metal 3D printers can make a part the size of a car, in general, the larger the part, the less accuracy and tolerance you can handle. Thus, there is a trade-off between size and accuracy. Our fourth and last secret is that matter matters. The material you want will often dictate the metal 3D process you use. Not every process can do every material. Do you have a metal in mind? If so, what alloy? Many companies require engineers to use the same material that has historically been used, which can quickly limit your options. For example, 6061 and 7075 aluminum are only available in limited processes. If you are willing to utilize new materials, there are books and books on material selection. You must carefully consider what properties you need for the specific application. This in turn can drive the 3D printing process available to you, and thus the geometry that is feasible. For review, these are the 4 AM secrets that impact process selection. 1. There are many types of metal AM. 2. There is no free lunch in design. 3. Size matters. 4. Matter matters. Here is an example for just one process, ultrasonic additive manufacturing. UAM has 3 key design capabilities: complex internal geometries, joining different metals together, embedding sensors, electronics, and other items sensitive to heat. But you sacrifice organic designs unless you're combining with another AM process. For size, it has a huge build volume up to 6 by 6 by 3 feet. More importantly, UAM keeps high precision even in large area 3D printing. This reduces the trade-off of size and precision. Each UAM system is a hybrid, having both additive and CNC subtractive in the same box. As far as materials availability, UAM is used in a vast array of metals already produced as foils or sheets. This includes aerospace workhorses 6061 and 7075 aluminum. Other metals include copper, steel, nickel, metal matrix composites, and more exotic metals such as tantalum and zirconium. To learn more about additive manufacturing, check out the other videos in our series. Links are in the description for information about UAM and a PDF design guide. Contact us anytime to discuss how UAM can help you stay one step ahead of your competition.